because I just came by and I was talking to my friend that we would like to implement a ube shake, a ube frappe, something what comes along with this kind of color, and they basically customized it just now for us here. And we will have some cocktails later. Thank you so much. Enjoy the show.